Introducing the Sandsall, a new reciprocating tool system designed to sand your complex surfaces. Sandsall gives you control of your sanding blocks, conforming to your projects. With our flexible foam sanding pads, we will put 3,000 strokes per minute into your projects. And with our flexible strap sander, our opposing damping handle is perfectly matched to take the high speed of the reciprocating power tool. You will love Sandsall's ability to easily sand your toughest projects. Concave, convex patterns are easily sanded, and with our detachable rollers, you can apply more focused pressure to difficult areas. Straps and sanding pads can come in all shapes and sizes and conform to your needs. Every industry has their specific needs, and we're dedicated to finding the one right for yours. With the rasp sander combo, we can evenly apply force to all the surfaces and ergonomically twist the tool to ensure a simple transition from one surface to another. Twist again and start sanding. You will find Sandsall's intuitive powered solutions a welcome addition to your tool chest. Please visit our website, sandsall.com, to learn more about how you can help get this amazing patent-pending tool system on the market. Thank you.